Daffodils are calling spring to Coventry. Everywhere is filled with daffodils now.
Have you ever stopped to just listen to nature? The rustling of leaves, the waves crashing on the shore, the birds singing at sunrise. Nature speaks to us in a language of beauty, peace, and life itself. And yet, how often do we truly appreciate it? Nature loves us unconditionally. It gives without asking for anything in return. The trees provide us with oxygen, the rivers quench our thirst, and the earth gives us food to survive. No matter how much we take, it keeps giving. But the real question is, do we love nature back the same way? Love isn't just about admiring something when it's beautiful. It's about caring for it, protecting it, and standing by it, even when it's struggling. Sadly, we haven't always treated nature with the love it deserves. We polluted its rivers, cut down its forests, and harmed the very life that keeps us alive. But love is also about change. If we truly love nature, we must act. Let's protect our forests, keep our oceans clean, and respect the creatures that share this planet with us. Let's give back, not just for ourselves, but for future generations. Unconditional love is selfless, and if there is anything in this world that deserves it, it's the nature that has loved us from the very beginning. Let's cherish it, protect it, and most importantly, let's love it unconditionally.